Hello and welcome to Natural Health Care and Wellness Channel. Today we are discussing how to cure fatty liver naturally. Looking for natural home remedies for your fatty liver? It is estimated that fatty liver will affect about 20% of the population in the next few years. Find out some warning symptoms of fatty liver and how to treat it at home using free and effective home treatments. The liver's primary role is to regulate most chemical levels in the blood and expel a substance called bile. This aids in the removal of waste materials from the liver. The liver filters all of the blood that leaves the stomach and intestines. A fatty liver affects 1 out of every 5 persons, and it can go through 3 stages. Stage 1: Fat deposition in liver cells. Sugars and carbs are abundant in today's diet, and the body converts them to fat. Fat might build up within the liver cells as a result of this. Stage 2: The inflammatory reaction. The accumulation of fat within liver cells triggers an autoimmune inflammatory response, in which antibodies are sent to target and kill the organ. Stage 3: Liver function complications. Inflammation impairs the liver's capacity to function effectively, impairing its ability to detoxify the body and digest contaminants, resulting in further fat storage in the liver. Here are the common causes of fatty liver: alcohol consumption, diabetes, excess fructose diet, age, high cholesterol, genetics, thyroid disorders, obesity, high triglycerides, high-calorie diets, poor diet and/or malnutrition. Fatty liver symptoms to look for and how to treat them: pain in the upper abdomen, jaundice indicated by a yellow discoloration of the skin or mucous membrane, fatigue, weight loss, swelling due to protein deficiency, which is created by the liver, increased bruising. If you're experiencing these symptoms frequently, see your doctor to see if they're indicative of fatty liver disease, as they could also be caused by other health problems. So here are 6 home remedies for fatty liver we prepare for you. 1. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that successfully combats fatty liver inflammation. It also helps heart health and overall body wellness by strengthening the immune system. 2. Milk thistle. Milk thistle has been demonstrated to effectively lower oxidative stress and inflammation in some cases of fatty liver syndrome. If you have fatty liver syndrome, try taking milk thistle to help alleviate your symptoms. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric will successfully reduce inflammation caused by fatty liver, as well as aid digestion. For optimum outcomes, doctors recommend starting with 450 milligrams of turmeric or curcumin pills on a daily basis. 4. Dietary changes. When it comes to getting rid of a fatty liver, changing your diet is critical. Ginger, bananas, raw vegetables, and sweet potatoes are all good for removing fat from the liver. You should also abstain from consuming alcoholic beverages. 5. Black seed oil. Black seed oil is a result of black cumin, and it has a number of health benefits, including the treatment of fatty liver. It has been found in studies to slow the advancement of fatty liver disease and lessen the risk of complications. 6. Weight loss. Effectively eliminating fat from your body, including your liver, is one of the finest and fastest ways to get rid of fatty liver. Drinking up to 8 glasses of water per day will help the liver flush out toxic poisons quickly. Don't risk your health and the lives of your loved ones by not treating your fatty liver. This natural remedy is an excellent solution. In addition, studies have shown that simple dietary and lifestyle changes can greatly reduce your fatty liver problem. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and please share this video to your friends and family who is suffering from fatty liver, and hopefully this might help them. From us, Natural Health Care and Wellness, goodbye and see you in the next video.